Hello students, I am Charulata Metkar from Samarpan Gyan School. This is class 10 mathematics lesson number 8 introduction to trigonometry. Today we are going to see a new topic, trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. This topic is on page number 87, 187 of your NCERT textbook, trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. Now, before proceeding complementary angles, trigonometric ratios of complementary angles, just you revise the word complementary means what. In the previous classes, you see that two angles are said to be complementary. Two angles said to be complementary angles if addition of these two angles is 90 degree. If one angle is 30 degree, then what will be the second angle? 90 minus 30 equal to 60 degree. Correct. See, addition of 2. Addition of two angles. Suppose A plus B is given to you. If A plus B equals 180 degree, then it is supplementary. But here we have to study complementary. Then if A plus B is equal to 90 degree, means what? 45 plus 45 equal to 90 degree. Then what is the question? What is the complementary angle of 45 degree? Then complementary of 45 degree is 45 itself. Is it okay? If you want to see complementary angle of 20 degree, then 20 plus something equal to 90 degree, then 70 will be the complementary angle. Suppose you want to find complementary of 30 degree, then 30 plus something equal to 90 degree. This tells you 30 plus 60 equal to 90 degree. Means the angle whose addition is equal to 90 degree. Then such angles are known as complementary angles. Got this concept? Suppose now in general your angle is theta. Then what will be the complementary angle of this? Addition of these two is 90 degree. Angle is theta. And then obvious complementary is 90 minus theta. Clear? And this concept we are using in today's lecture. Clear? Now we will see what are the trigonometric ratios of such complementary angles. Okay? I am going to explain you. Suppose you have given sine theta equal to cos of complementary angle. Then theta complement is what? 90 minus theta. See, sine theta is cos 90 minus theta. This is angle, this is complementary of that angle. Sine convert into the cos. See the example. Sine of 30 is equal to cos of 90 minus 30. Then what is cos? 90 minus 30 is 60. Now see in the yesterday's table that we learn values of sine theta and cos theta. See now what is the sine theta value? See here. This is the theta, 30 degree. Sine theta is, this is sine ratio, this is 30 and value is 1 by 2. Sine theta, sine 30 is 1 by 2 and cos 60 is also 1 by 2. Means sine 30 equal to cos 60. In this way we can say that sine of theta is equal to cos of 90 minus theta. Means I am telling you today ratios of complementary angles and you verify them from the table that we learned yesterday. Clear? See the again next part. If sine 45 is there, then what will be the formula? Sine theta is cos 90 minus theta, means cos 90 minus 45. What is 90 minus 45? 45 degree. What is the cos 45? See in again once time in table. Sin 45 is 1 upon root 2 and cos 45 is also 1 upon root 2. Then at both places I will write sin 45 is 1 upon root 2 and cos 45 is again 1 by root 2. Means both are equal. Therefore, in the table, these two values are equal because sin 45 is equal to cos 45 by complementary angle ratios. Got it? Then what is the first rule? Sin theta is equal to cos 90 minus theta. Now just reverse the ratio. What will be the second ratio? Cos, see, formula for that, cos theta is equal to, now sin changes to cos. Therefore, cos changes to sin. Sin 90 minus theta. Got it? Sin theta is cos 90 minus theta. Therefore, cos theta is sin 90 minus theta. Means in complementary angle, sin replaced with cos and cos replaced with sin. Cos replaced with sin, sin replaced with cos. And similarly, other trigonometry ratios are given in your textbook, page number, I am showing you, page number 188. See the formulas now. Instead of theta, they use the symbol A. Sin 90 minus A is cos A. Cos 90 minus A is sin A. Tan A is equal to cot 90 minus A. Cot A is tan 90 minus A. Cosec is sec 90 minus A. And sec A is equal to cosec 90 minus A. Means what? Cos pair with sin, tan with cot, sec with cosec. Cos with sin, cot with tan, cosec with sec. Got this? And in next lecture, we will see examples related to this. Thank you.